Early morning fire got shop near Yashodhan Hospital, Madgaon. A sudden early morning fire broke out near Yashodhan Hospital in Equim, Madgaon, completely gutting a shop. Fire services responded, but significant damage occurred before the blaze was contained. East Bengal and FC Goa address media before Super Cup final. Ahead of the AIFF Super Cup 2025-26 final, coaches and players of East Bengal FC and FC Goa held their pre-match press conference, sharing insights, strategies, and expectations before the much-anticipated title clash. Diesel and surf deliberately poured into Girkarwado community well. A disturbing incident at Girkarwado. Arambol saw a known individual instantly contaminating the community well with diesel and surf. Residents reported the issue to authorities, but no action has been taken yet, leaving the water unsafe for use. Two Mapusa youths die in tragic Pune head-on collision. A tragic head-on crash near Ambi Valley, Pune claimed the lives of two young men from Mapusa, Mayur Vengurlekar, 24, and Yogesh Sutar, 21. Their car collided with a truck, causing fatal injuries. Crime branch seizes truck carrying over 1,000 liquor boxes in Goa. A crime branch raid at the Old Goa bypass intercepted an MH-registered truck carrying more than 1,000 boxes of liquor bottles. Major seizure highlights ongoing efforts to curb illegal transportation of alcohol. DGCA forms committee to investigate Indigo's massive flight cancellations. DGCA has appointed a 4-member committee to examine Indigo's 170-200 daily cancellations. Authorities state the airline failed to plan crew rosters properly under the revised fatigue management rules effective July and November 2025. Goa Dairy raises buffalo milk price by 3 rupees. Goa Dairy has hiked the price of buffalo milk by 3 rupees per litre. The earlier rate of 67 rupees has now increased to 70 rupees, affecting households and local vendors dependent on dairy supplies. Court grants interim stay on Unity Mall project at Chimbal. The North Goa District Court issued an interim stay on the Deputy Director of Panchayat order regarding Unity Mall in Chimbal. Until December 17, VP Chimbal is not required to issue the GTDC construction license. Zenito Cardoso walks out of Colville jail after bail. After being granted conditional bail by the special court, Zenito Cardoso was released from Colville jail on Saturday. His case continues, but he is now out pending further legal proceedings. Congress puts fresh alliance offer before RGP leadership today. RGP Chief Manoj Parab confirmed that Congress has proposed a fresh alliance formula. RGP leadership will discuss the offer tonight and decide by tomorrow morning on whether to move forward with the coalition.